How to add login email in Telegram. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to add the email or login with your email on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find settings at the bottom right here. Select it. Then here you can find privacy and security right here. Now tap on it. Then tap on to login email right here. Select it. Then tap on to change email right here. Now from doing this, you can simply add your email and log in with your email on the Telegram. And that's it. This is how you can add login email in Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.